Hi, Tim Unkert here, and in this video we're going to talk about VS Codium. So VS Codium is an alternative to VS Code. It's basically VS Code, but with the telemetry turned off. There is this page. If you search VS Codium, you can come to this page and read a little bit of description of what it is. I'm going to go ahead and follow the instructions and install it. So on a Chromebook, if you start the Linux, it runs Debian 10. I think that's how you say it. And I'm going to go and copy the GPG key here and paste that in. And we'll see what happens. And I'm going to echo the repository here. That might be Git. And I'm going to exit out of that. And then hold on, let me try this again. We didn't get this done the full way. Let me close this. Leave that. Do this again. There we go. That's a little bit better. And let me just make sure I copy this entire thing. There we go. Okay. Copy that entire thing. Okay. And then I'm going to do a sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Okay. It's going to go ahead and run through that and probably ask me if I want no additional space. And so I'm just going to say sudo apt install Codium. And it's going to go run through and install it. So we'll give it a moment. And hopefully this will go through. My internet is slow, a little bit slow. Almost there, almost there. I could pause it, but I'm not going to. All right, so we're almost there. This is an awkward moment. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's see if I can type the command Codium and see if it runs. It looks like, yep, there we go. It opens up, and we've got VS Codium. Let's pin it. Okay, and you'll notice, wow, it looks like VS Code because it's basically VS Code. All right, so go through this menu. You see my VS Code menu. I went through this and okay, yada yada. We'll do search settings. I want the title bar to be the custom one. We're gonna have to restart it. Yeah. But we basically have a non-telemetry VS Code set up. It's a little different with the extensions, but that's a different topic for a different day. But yeah, you can start coding away on VS Codium. And that's how you install it. The other way, which is a lot easier to install it, is, in my opinion, is you go to download the latest release. And for me, I have an AMD Chromebook, so I want to do AMD64.deb, and I would download this like the vscode.deb and then just click install with Linux. But you can install it this way as well, so it's just another way to install it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. And I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.